One. We're live. Hello, everyone. Welcome to March Madness. Our new products are out, and for the next 7 days, I'm going to come to you live and show you one or two of the new products, okay? And we're going to be using them. We're going to cook with them. We'll see what we come up with every single day, all right? So if you're popping in live, comment live. If you're watching replay, comment replay. And if you're not a VIP customer yet, comment VIP so you get the best deals. So two new products we're showing off today that we're going to try Gigi, how do you say this? Let's see if Gigi can read it.
Leche cake.
Yeah, something like that. Dulce de Leche cake is what we're trying today. It's a new cake mix that just got released today. And so we're just going to mix this up. You add some butter, oil, and eggs and some milk, and then we're going to try it. I actually got to try this at home office a couple months ago. It was really delicious. So that'll be our dessert. What?
I didn't go.
You didn't go. You didn't get to go this time. So Gigi's going to get this one prepped and ready for us. You want me to put this together?
Yeah.
Okay, so don't forget, this is our Flex Plus right here. So we're going to use the blender side or mixer side.
Okay. So so this is how you cook this. You heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then grease the bottom of the pan. Am I doing the pan?
Oh, I'll grease the pan while you do that.
Okay. So she's gonna
watch those eggs, though.
I know. She's going to put butter all around the pan, and put flour in the pan, and dump the flour out. That's greasy way.
Yeah. So you're gonna pour this in. Oh, it smells good.
I'm telling them how to cook this.
Okay.
Bake this.
All right.
And then you pour the cake mix in. So you get all of it out.
It smells vanilla-y, right? It smells good.
It smells good.
Yeah.
And then
What's next?
you put 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter cut into small pieces.
Should we cut it? It's been out for a while.
I need 6 pieces.
This is why I don't bake. It says cut in small. All right, let me get a knife.
She doesn't follow instructions.
I don't. It's okay.
She's Italian.
I guess we're going to cut it in small pieces. I don't really understand why, but that's what we're going to do.
Because you know what makes it better.
Yeah, probably.
I'm smart.
So let us know if you're popping in live. Hello, everyone. Hi, Brittany.
I got called smart by a smart kid, so that means I'm smart.
Oh, yeah? Is that what happened at school today?
That was a few days ago.
Oh, okay. So we got our butter in here. What else, Gigi?
Okay. And then 3 tablespoons of olive oil.
Vegetable oil. What the heck is on your hand?
I drew my hand with a highlighter.
Okay. All right. While she does that, this is the new cake pan. So it's a rectangular cake pan. It matches all the other colors. And it even has a lid now. Hello. So these are the two new products that we're showing you today. Is the cake mix and the cake pan. So I'm going to butter this while you do.
You put 2 Eggos. I dropped the thingy.
You guys ready for March? This is the month we changed the time. All right, don't get any shells in there. You want to crack it in here first? No? Okay.
I got it. I'll put the shells
I guess
in
we
there.
got you trained very well. Right? So,
God, Mom,
let's see.
chaos
Hi,
in
Melanie. So, which one are you guys most excited about if you had to pick one? The rectangular cake pan with the lid or the Dulce de Leche cake mix?
Cake, because it's food.
Because it's food, yeah. It'll be dessert today.
I will.
So I saw some people make caramel sauce in the blender and put it over there, but I think we're just going to try just like that, right? And see if it's good.
It's like the egg is like not sticking to the powder. So
it doesn't. It's okay. It won't.
I know, but I'm trying to get it off though. It's funny.
It's funny. It doesn't stick. Yeah. You got to mix it. That's the whole point.
Oh, that's why.
All right, yeah. All right. You good? You ready to mix, G?
Washing my hands.
Okay. All right. So here we are, just buttering it up.
I'm back.
Let's see. What's happening at your guys' house today? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? Tell me. What's for dinner?
We have potatoes.
Oh, did you forget to milk? You need milk too.
No.
Oh, you're not there yet. Okay. Okay.
We have some chicken and potatoes.
Chicken and potatoes, like Nono makes it, right?
Yeah.
Paulo, eh? What's potato in Italian?
Patata.
Brava, Giada.
Okay. Then we add 2/3 of a cup of milk, and I know that because fractions.
Gigi's learning fractions right now. It's kind of fun.
This is really bad. I'm really bad at them.
That's it. How do we get better?
Not fractions.
Not practice.
I haven't done my homework yet.
All right, you ready to mix the mix?
Yeah. I'll do it.
You want to do it?
I
You know how to
do
start
this.
it? Okay, okay.
Probably do this more than you.
Probably, because I don't bake.
Exactly.
All right,
You
mix
just
it.
hold it.
I hold the bowl.
Yeah.
Maybe speed it up a little now.
Did you see them make it? Or did you just eat it?
I just ate it.
You just eat it?
Yeah.
I want to go back there.
Yeah.
We made gingerbread houses.
So 3 years ago, Gigi got to go to home office, and I don't think she'll ever forget it. But she had fun in the test kitchen. Right? Remember that? There was this 3 test kitchen.
We made like cookie butter things.
Oh, the cookie butter. Yeah. So you can take Oreos and a little bit of vegetable oil and put them in the blender and turn them into cookie butter, and then like dip apples in it. It's so good. It's really
I
bad.
didn't dip apples in it. I just ate it.
You just ate it like that.
I think I dipped an Oreo in it.
And you dipped in Oreo. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, that's really really bad, right?
And then the new like silicone molds for the gingerbread thing came out, so we made like I think when we saw like Jolly Rancher ones,
Oh, Jolly Rancher.
and it was fun.
So Riley says, Gigi, you'll get better at fractions by cooking, because you're going to use like quarters and 2/3, and you know what I mean. And
I
you'll be
always
nice-
said 1/2.
But what? It's not 1/2. What is it?
It's 1/2.
Yeah. Oh, this smells really good, doesn't it? Like it smells so vanilla-y. Is it vanilla-y? Vanilla-y?
That's not a word.
You gonna put this in the sink and I'm gonna flour this and then get it.
Can I shoot them out?
Yeah, shoot them
I'll
out.
do it. I'll do it.
You got it?
No.
Use your thumb. Oops. There we
Can I
go.
lick them?
Sure.
Oh, it got in my hand. I have to lick it now.
All right, so last time you guys gave me a great tip, since I'm not a baker, is to butter in flour, and the instructions actually say that.
We need
So,
to mix it up more.
Hopefully this cake comes out. If not, I'll just eat it right out of the
We
pan.
need to mix it up more because there's still chunks.
No, it's fine. I think it's the butter. It's gonna
Oh,
melt.
well, I got more.
Gigi.
I didn't lick that one yet.
Okay, good. I was like, not like anybody else getting this cake.
I like
but-
this one.
All right.
And I mixed with this one. Oop.
So do you guys do cooking with your kids or baking? Who cooks with the kids? It's like, it's always a good idea, and then it's like a giant mess, right? Okay, I'm gonna get a spatula. Get this cake mix in here, and then we'll go put it in the oven. Okay, we excited? So these are the 2 new products, if you're just popping in, that we're featuring today. Dulce de Leche cake. I'm probably saying it wrong. Dulce de Leche. I don't know how to say it. And then our rectangular baking pan with the lid, just released right now. And if you're not a VIP customer yet, and you're not in my VIP group, there's some fun things happening in there this
Gotta
week. So
add-
comment VIP, okay?
Gotta add the accent on it.
What accent?
You went. Dulce de leche. And added the accent on it.
Oh, I said it.
All
I
that.
tried to say it like Italian style, I guess. So here we go. Oh, this smells
Just
good.
add accents on stuff and it's Italian.
That's not how it works. But I guess
That's what you do.
that's what I always do.
Yeah. Just
Never-
go. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. See, now I speak Italian.
Yeah, is that how it goes?
Yeah.
All right. So how many of you guys have our scrapers? You want to do it? You want to finish? So did you guys know that your scraper has a birthday? Who knew that? That your
What's his
scraper
birthday?
has a birthday.
Can't-
Hi, Missy. Thanks for popping in. Hi, Samantha.
Can't really see, so I'm using the phone.
You're using the phone? Okay, you want me to do it this way?
Yeah.
So on the back of your scraper, let me show them real quick. Oops.
Has a birthday?
On the back of your scraper, there's like a little circle, and it tells you
When's this one's birthday?
the month and date that your scraper was made. So let's see. Go back. Go in your kitchen right now and tell me the age.
10? There's just a bunch of numbers.
This one is 10/2015. So this scraper right here, it actually has the old logo. 7 years old. 7 years old.
When's
This
his
is why you buy a
birthday?
Pampered Chef scraper.
Again, when's his birthday?
October 2015. The scraper
What
was
day?
born. I don't know. It didn't have a date.
We'll make it October
Yeah, which one?
18th, I think.
Yeah?
But on a different day.
All right, so we're just going to spread this out. You want to spread it out? And then we're going to pop it in the oven, and then we'll post a picture below. I got to try it now too, Gigi. Oh, very good. Oh, it's kind of like has a little caramel maybe?
Has a little oomph to it.
A little oomph?
Oomphy oomph.
I feel like it has like caramel or something.
I don't know, it's good.
Butter,
Caramel.
baking powder.
You say caramel?
Natural butter flavor. Maybe that's what it is.
You say caramel?
Oh, caramel. Caramel? I don't know.
Caramel.
It's caramel? Color. Okay, yeah, it's got like a little, it's not like white, so. Okay, so we're gonna pop this in the oven. If you're watching this live, will you just comment live so I see kind of like who's watching these videos, and we'll be back every single day with some kind of new product, at least for 7 days, okay?
Is this good? Can I like this?
Sure. All right, this is gonna go in the oven, but what's really cool is it does have a lid.
I got a big
So you
thing
can
of butter in my
transport
mouth.
this, you can transport other things this summer, you know, anything. I mean, it doesn't have to be a cake. Could be brownies, could be sandwiches, could be whatever. So we're gonna pop, and it's like sturdy. Like these cake pans are solid, okay? You're not gonna break them. So thanks for tuning in for our first March Madness video showing off 2 new products. Bye everyone.
The first part I licked had a big piece of butter on it. It
Yeah,
did not
that's
taste
kind of
good.
gross, yeah. All right, you wanna say bye?
Bye. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao. I got you trained well, Gigi. Ciao, ciao.